still.
Yeah. The guy in the back is the one who says one time, 1, 2, 1, 2.
You know the function of the balloons.
The function.
Who? His name is Who?
Yeah.
Who?
Look strong. Good guy. Number 1.
But I hope they know what they're doing. Looks like they're going random directions.
So the drummer, she sits in this case in the front, and then you have the guy who's. Vuvuzela, maybe you should start playing that one. Could be
The next step.
legendary team.
Self-proclaimed. God, it goes on all day for real. Chai Boy Chai Tuyen Rong. Title of the. Now the finger. Okay. Is it competition or they just give it a try?
I have absolutely no idea. They're looking for a team, a missing team. And the sound equipment on this plane. Okay. What time? This guy looks extremely serious, isn't he? It's women against women in this case, I guess. So
don't mix.
there might be man against man, women, and mixed team. Save the date, maybe. Next year, this is. I can be in the front and you will be in the back, and then we have
some other people doing the work. The one in the back is the one more or less steering.
Yeah, exactly. And the one in
the front gives the tempo.
The speed, yeah.
She must be the most hated.
Yeah.
If she decides and the other one. It's a wrong way. Oh, yeah, that was a short one.
And now is another race start. So they're probably 3, 2, 1, go.
The most uninteresting sound. My dick. Me too.
So I will come become member in your team.
Yes. So when you scan the QR code, you will see the link and just register. Fill up the information and I will contact you. Yeah.
Looking forward.
Yeah. Welcome to our team.
Thank you. What's the name of the team?
Tiger and Buffalo.
Yeah.
Buffalo is in your destiny.
Cannot fail. Cannot fail. Finally.
You wanted to ride a buffalo now.
I ride a dragon boat.
Same.
See you next Sunday.
See you. Bye. Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Buffalo thing.
What to do on a Sunday?
Yeah. I don't know. A Sunday at 5:30 in the morning.
Vietnam alumnus. It's always top of the line.
No break.